In this video, I got ChatGPT and Lemonade to go against each other and see who can recreate Fish It better. Okay, so we are starting off with ChatGPT and I just gave it this simple prompt and now I'm just gonna enter and we'll see what it makes. And we will also be doing this in an hour. So we start the timer and let's get on to making the game. Okay, so it has been 5 minutes and this is what ChatGPT has done so far. So when we go up to this, nothing happens. Oh, looks like we got a couple of errors from the first prompt. So let me try fix these and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I fixed the errors. That took me like 2 minutes. If we go to this ad here, oh wait, cast line. Okay, so we got an error. So let me fix this up real quick. So we're like 9 minutes into making the game. And if we press cast line here, as you can see, we're getting fish. And then when we click sell all fish, it basically gives us coins. So I think now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to make it so that I'm only able to cast the line when I'm like near the actual water. Also, one more thing I gotta do is the AI made me make the UI myself. So I'm gonna have to also make it look better myself. Okay guys, so we are 20 minutes in and this is what we have got so far. So if we go up to the fishing area here, the cast line UI pops up. So when we click cast line, it waits. And then when we sell, as you can see, we got 5 coins. If you look at the script, we have a common fish, uncommon fish, rare fish, and epic fish, and they have chances and values. So we just got a common fish there. And yeah, I'm gonna try work on some other stuff that's kind of related to Fish It. I'm not really sure what else I should do. I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, so we're like 35 minutes in now. And what I got added is this shop right here. So we got a steel rod and a golden rod. And we're only able to buy these once we have the right amount of coins. So let's cast some lines, get enough money, and buy that new rod. Okay, so we got 135 coins. And if we go to the shop now and buy the steel rod, as you can see, it took away our coins. And we cast a lot quicker now. And okay, maybe not a lot quicker. Well, anyway, like it's easier to catch rare fish. The next thing I'm gonna do for the next 22 minutes is I'm going to add another fishing zone that will just like basically have different fish. Yeah. Okay guys, so we have about like 10 minutes left, and what I have added is basically I've updated the UI. It looks like a bit better. There are these new zones which you only unlock when buying a new fishing rod. So if we go into the first zone here, as you can see, we can fish and then it's casting. Yeah, I think I messed up something here. Doesn't matter. If we sell now, as you can see, we got 85 coins. We'll get to the steel rod real quick. And now we have 100 coins for the steel rod. So we just bought it. And now we are not able to fish in zone 2. Okay, guys. So I think the AI fixed it now. Okay, so now if we buy the steel rod and go to the second zone, we still can't fish. Oh, guys, the AI scripted it so that we need the golden rod to unlock both the zones. I don't think I can add anything else apart from like updating the UI. So I'm gonna update the UI real quick and then yeah, we'll play test the game. Okay guys, last 2 seconds and we're done. So we're gonna play test the game. This is what we got done in an hour using ChatGPT. So we got our first zone here, and if we click the fish button, we're fishing obviously. And as you can see, we got a fish. There are like 4 different rarities you can get. And like the higher the rarity is, the more coins you will get. And if we sell right now, as you can see, we got 60 coins. So let's try get to 500 and buy the golden rod. Okay guys, we have gotten to 500 coins. So if we go to the shop now and buy the golden rod, we should have it. And let's try walk up to these zones and the UI is not popping up. Guys, I think I might have bugged the game out because whenever I keep walking back to the zone, it still says waiting. I think that's why I can't fish in the other zones. But yeah, this is the game that ChatGPT made in 1 hour. Make sure to rate this game out of 10 in the comments. But anyways, let's hop on to Lemonade. Alright guys, so now we're using Lemonade to remake Fish It. I already have Lemonade connected up to my Roblox studio, and this is the same exact prompt ChatGPT had, so let's see what Lemonade cooks up. Okay, so Lemonade just said, nice, let's build it one mechanic at a time. Which part should we try first? Alright, so it's recommending me to make the fishing input and detection. Click to cast a line, detect when it touches a fish and reel it in. Fish spawning, catch inventory, start somewhere else. I think I'm gonna click on the recommended one and yeah, see what it does. Alright, so this is what Lemonade created. It says you can now equip a fishing rod, click on water to cast your line, and click again to reel any fish when you touch the hook. So this was done in one prompt now. I think this is actually inside of the floor here. But if we click play, we have a fishing rod, okay? And if we click the water, cast a reel. Now, I think Lemonade took like a way more complex approach. But yeah, oh, okay. Yeah, but anyway, it gave us some smart suggestions. Implement a shop GUI and currency system to sell fish. Add fish rarity and varying values to spawning system. Create a fish HUD to track catches and gold. Add a power meter minigame to casting distance. Implement fish collection encyclopedia UI. So I think what I'm gonna do now is add fish rarity and varying values. So let's do that, and then I'll get back to you guys once it's done. Okay, there should be fishing rarity in now. So let's see here. I don't know if you can if we're able to tell or not. Yeah, but anyway, it's finished that. Now we got some more smart suggestions. Implement a shop GUI for rod upgrades, range, and speed. I think I'm gonna do that next. Alright guys, so the shop GUI should be added now. We check, yes, we have a fishing shop and the shop button here. Looks like for the casting range, we need 100 gold and reel speed also 100 gold. So let me actually try play real quick. I don't actually know how this works. I caught a salmon. Okay, wait. Yeah, I might have to tell the AI to fix. Oh, he added 2 shops. All right, I'm gonna tell the AI to fix that and add in a couple more stuff. Okay, so Lemonade said it's done. So let's click and playtest real quick. Still got 37 minutes left. I still have to remove one of the shops, but as you can see, we have a recent catches thingy here. And let's just try catch a fish real quick. This game's actually really hard. I caught a catfish. So we got gold, and I'm guessing now with the gold we're able to just buy upgrades and stuff. So it's doing good so far. I haven't had to do anything right now. I literally just wrote. I didn't have to paste any scripts or anything. It did everything for me. But now we can ask it to do some other stuff. And I think what I'm gonna do is ask it to polish the 3D environment with a fishing pier. And yeah, let's see what it cooks up. Okay guys, so if we click play, it has added the dock here and a couple of trees. Next thing I'm probably gonna do is I might add this feature right here. It sounds pretty cool. So let's add this, and I'm also gonna tell it to remove the second shop because he made 2 by accident. Alright, so Lemonade is done. We're about 30 minutes into the challenge right now. And it removed the second shop, which is good. We also have a fishing rod. And if we equip the fishing rod, there's a casting power. So that's actually really sick. See if I can catch a fish. Alright, I'm gonna ask the AI to add some VFX. So let's see what it adds. Or actually, I'm gonna try to see how many prompts I can do in 10 minutes. So I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. We'll say 18 minutes left. Okay, so we hit the 18-minute mark, but Lemonade is making its last changes, and then I'll show you guys what I've made, or what Lemonade has made. I didn't do anything apart from telling it what to do. Okay, so it added the data store. So if we go into the game now, I'll show you guys everything that got added. So the first thing I asked was for it to add in some animations, and this is what the AI made. It's waving when I reel back. I'm sure if I change the ID somewhere, it would work, because I don't think it's that easy for the AI to find casting animations. But yeah, we also have some VFX that was also made by the AI. I'm gonna keep adding a couple of random features it keeps suggesting, and I'll get back with you guys once I've done a bit more. Alright guys, so we got about 7 minutes left, and this is what I've got done. Yeah, but basically if you try to catch a fish, I'm gonna try to catch that one at the back there. Not gonna lie, this game is pretty hard. Okay, yeah, well, you can basically see here at the left that I've got a salmon. It's 50 gold, the rarity, and the picture of it. But yeah, the game is still a tiny bit bugged. I'm gonna try implement 2 last features maybe, since we only have 5 minutes left. But yeah, All right, so we got 1 more minute left. I just implemented something, and we got to implement one more thing real quick. And I think I'm going to add. I think I'm gonna add a direct hit gold bonus. So let's do that. That's our last prompt, and then I'll get back with you guys once this prompt is finished. So time is up, and Lemonade has finished with its prompt. So now we're gonna hop in the game and test it out real quick. So we got our fishing rod, and we got a fish log added as well now. So basically an index. So if we just like catch a fish real quick, let's try catch this one right here. All right, so okay, we caught it, but like it's really bugged. As you can see, we got a milestone and also a direct hit. So we got plus 50% gold, which is actually really cool. And as you can see, we've discovered salmon. And finally, we have the shop, where you can buy cast range or reel speed. Make sure to comment down below 1 through 10 which AI did better, Lemonade or ChatGPT. Personally, I think Lemonade absolutely cleared. And Lemonade is a really powerful tool. This game right here I made with my friend Raymond. Most of the game was made by Lemonade. As you guys can see, this is the game right here. I originally got the idea to do this video from Brawl Dev. His link will be in the description. But yeah, it'd mean a lot for me if you guys would subscribe, join my Discord, and also play this game because I actually made it in a week and there's a video coming out on it soon. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more videos like this, comment down below, and yeah, I'll be seeing you.